All right. We have a question here. The question says the relative molecular mass of the compound below is. Now, this is the compound here. This is benzene. Benzene ring attached with carbon, oxygen, carbon, and hydrogen here. Now, they give you carbon C is to be equal to 12, which is the atomic mass of carbon 12, atomic mass of oxygen 16, atomic mass of hydrogen 1. So here we have carbon here, we have oxygen here, we have hydrogen here. So these are the atomic mass. Now, they say you should find the relative molecular mass. So what are you going to do? You write solution. Now, first thing you do is what? This is carbon. You now count how many carbon are in this compound. Now, first of all, this is benzene ring. Remember, benzene ring has 6 joints. See it. Benzene ring has 6 joints. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And these 6 joints contain carbon and hydrogen. So, for example, now let's say this is benzene ring. Now we have this is benzene ring. For example, now this is benzene ring. Now, 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's just count. Now, this is benzene. So, you can see benzene contains carbon and hydrogen. How many carbon and how many hydrogen? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can see it contains 6 carbon and 6 hydrogen. So, the formula of this benzene is C6H6. This is the formula of this is benzene ring. So, now here you can see that it has 6 carbon and 6 benzene ring. Now benzene ring has 6 carbon and 6 hydrogen. So this benzene that's here has 6 carbon and 6 hydrogen. So what are you going to do? You now come here and write. You now write the 6 carbons that is here. Then you can see here now. You can see another carbon here. You can see another carbon here. So this is 1, 2 plus the 6 carbon that this benzene contains. So 6 plus 2 is what? 8. So we have 8 carbon. We have 8 carbon. Now 8 carbon means is equal to 8 times. Here they give you carbon, the atomic mass of carbon to be 12. 8 times 12. 8 times 12 will give us 96. Now you come to oxygen. How many oxygen are here? This is 1, 2. We have 2 oxygen here. So we have 2 oxygen. If I write it like this, it will look as if it's 20. So let me just put X, Y. We have 2 oxygen, which is 2 times the atomic mass of oxygen is what? 16. 16. 2 times 16 will give us 32. Now, we have hydrogen. How many hydrogen are here? Remember this benzene has 6 hydrogen. I did something here before. So it has 6 hydrogen. But now, you can see a chain quickly to another carbon, meaning that hydrogen that is here is no longer here. This is the hydrogen. This is no longer here because a chain. We have a chain here and another carbon. So it has lost 1 hydrogen. We now have 5 hydrogen. Now you can see another hydrogen here. This is hydrogen and 3. This 3 means 3 times H, it means that this hydrogen that is here, this H that is here is 3. So the 5 hydrogen that is here plus 3, which is what? 8. So we now have 8 hydrogen, which is equal to 8 times. Now, atomic mass of hydrogen is 1. So 8 times 1 is what? 8. Now we now add all of them together. We now add all of them together. So we now have 6. Just add all of them together. We now have 6 plus. Okay, 96 plus 32 plus 8. That will give us 136. So that is the answer. 136. If you just want to do, you can say 8 plus 2 is what? 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 plus 6 is what? 16. You write your 6 here. Carry 1. Now we have how many here? 9. You add 1 here, which is 10. 10 plus 3, 13, which is the 13, making it 136. So that's the option. That is the answer. This is the answer to this question.